like it. Joke lang po. Ang tawag natin dito ay hopia, pero dito sa Hong Kong, ang tawag nila ay so bang. Ang ibig sabihin ng so ay flaky. Harap! At ang ibig sabihin ng bang ay cake. Flaky cake. Diba? Andito ako ngayon sa Hong Kong at pupuntahan natin ang isa sa pinakamatandang bakeries dito na gumagawa ng so bang. 1920s pa raw dito gumagawa. Hi, Carol!
Hello, Carol. Nice to meet
Hello!
you.
Hi! This is amazing.
Nice? Okay, you can try the other one.
Aabot sa 15 klase ng pastry ang ibinebenta rito. At kada araw, halos 20,000 piraso ang mabilis na nagagawa at naibibenta. Pero ang tunay na bida at signature pastry ng padederya, ang ipinagmamalaki nilang wife cake.
Why is it called wife cake?
Yeah, I tell you the story. It's a legend. A long time ago, there is a couple. They are very poor, and the wife need to go out to work to support her family. Her husband need to earn some more money and then get her wife back home. So you make the pastry and sell in the market.
Okay, so if you buy this, the wife of the man will come back.
To honor his wife,
To honor
love
his wife.
and commitment.
Oh!
Pati pala pinagmula ng wife cake, matamis din. Sana all!
So all the men out there, if you want to honor your wife, you have to...
Yeah, sure.
You have to try this.
At dahil dyan, susubukan natin gumawa ng pineapple wife cake.
I'm here with Ellen, who will teach us how to make the wife cake, and after this, we will get husband.
Yeah.
Sa isang bowl, una munang paghahaluin ng dry ingredients gaya ng harina, asukal at asin.
We get the lard in the bowl.
Ang paggamit ng lard o taba ng baboy ang sikreto para maging malambot ang pastry.
After you mix it, then we put the water in. And then
mix it
start to mix it into a dough. This one we call it the water dough, and after that we will make an oil dough. We will combine them.
Traditionally, it's the man who makes the wife cake, right?
Yeah, it's the man make it.
Yeah, but now, why are we making it? To get a man. Joke.
Mamasahin ito hanggang sa lumambot ang dough.
Getting better.
It's getting better.
Yeah.
After 10 years, this will get better.
I want to help you.
Okay. Alam ko na. Ginaganon pala.
Maybe you are not powerful enough.
Oh, okay. I have to be more powerful. I didn't eat enough pastry. Yung pastry, hindi lang naman siya isang buong cake. Para siyang layer. Para ma-achieve mo yon, dapat meron kang iba't ibang uri ng dough. Meron kang water dough, tas meron kang oil dough. So tapos na tayo dun sa water dough, eto na siya. Eto na ngayon yung oil dough. Dalawa lang yung ingredients nito. It's just lard and flour.
Water dough? Check! Oil dough? Check! Pero may next step pa pala.
It's like a shumai.
Yeah, it's very like a shumai.
Yay!
Next step, i-roll ang dough hanggang sa makuha ang tamang haba at tipis nito.
Kailangan ilang ulit na niro-roll at saka tinitiklop-tiklop, ganyan.
Matapos ang mabusising proseso ng paghahanda ng dough, pwede nang ilagay ang filling. At saka ito bibilugin. Dahan-dahang ipa-flatten ang dough para makuha ang tamang hugis.
What is it made of aside from pineapple?
Nothing with pineapple.
Oh, there's no pineapple.
No pineapple. Why we call it pineapple? Because the texture, the pattern, it crack.
It looks like a
look like the
pineapple.
pineapple.
At saka ilalagay ang pineapple crust sa taas nito. Papahiran lang uli ito ng egg wash at pwede na itong isalang sa oven.
Already set.
Magkalipas ang 20 minuto, ready nang tikman ang pineapple wife cake.
At eto na ang ating pineapple wife cake. Nasaan na yung mga asawa dyan? Labas-labas na! Ganito ang itsura ng isang traditional Hong Kong tea set. Itong lugar kasi na ito, dati itong tea house na nagbebenta ng tsaa at saka ng dumplings. Ang haba-haba raw ng pila doon ng mga customer. Kaya naisip ng mga taga rito, ng mga nagbebenta dito, na mamigay ng libreng snack, libreng pastry para hindi sila mainip. Nasarapan yung mga tao and over the years, nawala na yung tsaa, nawala na yung dumplings, at ito ng pastry na ito ang pinupuntahan ng mga tao. Ito ng main product nila dito. Hindi siya matamis na matamis. Yung texture niya parang hopya. It's very flaky kasi yung tradisyon ng paggawa ng mga ganitong klaseng biscuits or pastry ay fusion ng Asian at saka ng Western cuisine.